For this is that, first of all, it's for me and Dad. Second of all, it's something that we figure no girl can ever have too many of. And it's something that recently you kind of took a liking to, so we thought we'd roll with that. Okay, turn around.
Open my eyes?
Yes.
Whoa, what's that? Oh my God.
What?
It's Coach. Holy cow.
Hold on, before you undo it, smile with it.
I don't want to smile with no teeth.
Can
Holy
have the
cow.
ribbon?
Yeah, just a second, Ava.
Yay, we get the
Oh,
ribbon.
Lord. I'm afraid to look.
You can look.
I know, but I'm afraid to.
Why?
Because,
Just like I'm afraid to look my teeth.
no, different. Oh, man. Holy cow.
What is it, Granny? A purse?
Can't get it.
It's a very special purse, Ava.
Just cut it.
No, don't cut it. Oh my God, look at that.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, Ava's so excited about the ribbon.
Looky here.
Look at Ava.
Look, Ava.
Wow.
Isn't this
Oh, purple
beautiful?
insides.
Look at it.
Here.
Holy cow. Wow. Oh man, look at this. Look at that. Look, Ava. Look.
Neat.
Look.
Purple insides.
Holy schmolies.
I get
Nice.
the ribbon.
Holy cow.
Oh,
I
right.
get the ribbon.
Oh, thank you.
I get the ribbon.
Look how pretty.
Ribbon.
Oh my gosh.
It's black, right?
Yeah.
Ribbon.
Look there.
Ribbon.
Holy cow. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Give the camera kisses.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. This is beautiful.
Ribbon.
And it's Coach. Holy cow.
The real deal.
I know. This is crazy. Oh, it's got my little taggies hanging off. See?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Thank you to both of you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.